how to put Instagram Reels on Instagram status with music. First, open your Instagram app, tap on the reel icon at the bottom. Choose the reel you want to share, then tap on the share button from the right side option bar. Now tap on WhatsApp status. Your WhatsApp app will open automatically. Tap on My Status. Then tap on the arrow button at the bottom. Finally, tap on Send button at the bottom. Your WhatsApp status has updated. Now to check it, tap on My Status. Then tap on the status. And that's it. This is how you can put Instagram Reels on WhatsApp status with music.